Question of the day, mother truckers. Have you ever been approached by somebody that you knew probably was not legit? I don't want to say it, but you know when you're near the border states, you have been approached. Because as a mover, I have been approached. And I'm telling you right now, do not take the easy money. I'm about to show you guys is extremely real right here. Okay, this truck driver was approached and offered $16,000 per person. Okay, 28 people in his bobtail to go from the southern border to San Antonio, which was 256 miles. And you're thinking to yourself, you're going to make the biggest payday of your life. I'm telling you right now, it's not worth it. And you can end your career, you can end your life, and just don't do it. Here is a raw video showing what the police actually pulling him over and him actually running away from the scene. Of course, getting caught. But I just want to let you guys know this. And so, mother truckers, it takes time. It takes time to build. Nothing in life is easy, but you got to do it the right way. So please, if you're near border states, just pretend like you don't know what they're talking about and just walk away. That's all I have to say. Mother truckers, comment down below.
I just had the driver bail out. Can you clear the passenger side? I still haven't cleared. I still haven't gone inside. You want to go inside? Yeah. ¿Qué es tu edad? ¿Qué es tu edad? 16. 16.